Hello, Oliver Lepki here, and I have a question for you. What time is it now? Can you tell me what time is it? Well, it's time to cleanse. It's time to cleanse. You see, we clean ourselves, we clean our house, we clean our car, our office, we clean ourselves, we wash ourselves from outside, and more importantly, we need to do a cleanse and clean ourselves from inside. That's right. And a lot of people are doing different detoxes, cleansing, and here I am to share one amazing aloe vera based cleansing program. So you drink a lot of aloe vera, you also drink a lot of water, and you take some nutritional supporting supplements, and you do this cleanse for 9 days. So in the first 2 days, you drink whole bottle of aloe vera gel, like 1 liter of aloe vera gel in 2 days. And you drink a lot of water, so you flush a lot of toxins. So you will get structured plan, so you can follow plan and program, and then have this meal replacement. So instead of having just like breakfast, like eggs and sausages and bread and stuff like that, you would have a shake, natural based shake that has all nutritional values, all nutrients that our body needs, you get in the shake. So it's like a meal replacement, just without heavy carbs, okay? So that, and you also get special omega-3 and omega-9 that is called Arctic Sea, supporting, and also get Garcinia. So you take these different products in a schedule, in a specific time of the day, and throughout the day, and you go through this program. It's not very harsh on your body in terms that you have to sit in your washroom or anything like that, but you will cleanse yourself so well that you will feel it on your skin. You will feel it yourself. You'll become more vivid. Well, different people have different experiences, but overall, most people feel better, look better, and sleep better, etc. And most people also lose between 8 to 12 pounds during these 9 days. So it's a wonderful program that pretty much anybody can do. And if you would like to learn how to do this cleanse, just either message me or follow the link under this video, which will take you to a page where you can order this package, and our company will ship it directly to you. And then let me know when you order it so I can provide you some more information, like we have recipes and things like that, how to do this program the most effective way.